Yo, what is up guys, Ethan here, and today I just got in a pair of the all-new Nike SB Jordans in the Lakers and Chicago colorway. So, here's the shoe. Alright, here's the shoe. It's a really nice fucking pair, like, the colors are clean. And the coolest thing about this shoe is that it turns into the Chicago colorway. Like, alright, Lakers, I don't really give a fuck about those teams, but the Chicago is my all-time favorite shoe. And the fact that I can turn these into a brand new pair of Chicagos and it looks even better than the original Chicagos with the black sole and the black tongue. And I just love the worn out look. I'm gonna be doing that today. I got some acetone, some cotton, and we're gonna be doing a customization. Now I don't know what I'm gonna be doing exactly, if I'm gonna go full Chicago or maybe I'm gonna write like my name somewhere. We'll figure it out. But yeah, let's cut straight to the point.
Before we start, remember to like this video, comment your opinions or any questions, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, follow me on Instagram at ethan.xf for some giveaways, sick pictures, and other cool shit. Alright, let's begin.
Alright, so now we're on the table. This is just, I put some paper, which you should too if you're customizing these, just to make sure that the acetone doesn't get anywhere and ruin anything. The shoe comes with 4 sets of laces, black, which are on the shoe, and then purple, white, and red. I think white looks the best, or black, maybe red if you're going for the Chicago colorway. I don't know, we'll try them all on and see what looks the best. So, first thing you're going to want to do, just like look at your shoe and just know that this is the last time that this pair is ever going to look like this. So if you like the way it looks, just like, I don't know, be careful, maybe wear them. I don't know, just admire them, because like these are so sick. But take your first shoe, okay? Grab your acetone and grab your cotton. Acetone, cotton. Alright, so we're just gonna do like a small test. I'm gonna open this acetone bottle. Oh yeah, I used a bottle that I found at CVS. Just make sure it says 100% acetone on here, because that'll probably work the best. And make sure you have a lot of cotton, because apparently the paint goes everywhere. So we're about to find that out. And I'd recommend having some Rejuvenator, which I have in the back, or some other cleaning product that works, just in case anything goes wrong. So, I have my acetone. And I'm just going to start with one of these, which is a Q-tip. Open the acetone. Oh, okay. It has like one of these things on it. Okay, I'm gonna use scissors because I'm kind of and I don't know how to open these. Sorry. Oh, whoa. Okay, it made a noise. Alright. We're good. So, this is like really deep. So just be careful. I'd put something in and just like make sure it gets wet. This is clearly wet. I'm gonna just start like right here and see what happens. Okay. Alright, I'm done. It took me like an hour to turn these into Chicago's, and it was well worth it. Let me just focus in real quick. Yeah, look at that. Absolutely beautiful shoe. You can see all the details. Really, really clean. I still haven't worn them outside because I haven't had the opportunity to, but I can't wait to do so. Yeah, here's the shoe. Here's the other pair. I did the same thing on both pairs. White laces, definitely the move. The others look alright, but I think that the white laces match the most, especially with the Nike SB black on the tongue right here. It just looks beautiful, the entire shoe. It kind of gives you that cartoony vibe, if you know what I'm talking about, on some custom shoes, how they customize them and give them that cartoon outline. But I hope you enjoyed. I'm about to upload a montage right after this, where you could, or it's gonna cut right after this to a montage of the shoes on foot and just more details. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Comment if you have any questions on the process, how I did it. I'll also link what you can buy to do this to your own shoes. And you can find them at any CVS. I went to my local CVS. I live kind of far from everything, but they had it. And yeah, it's just acetone, cotton. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Comment, of course, interact with me. Follow me on Instagram at ethan.xf and at haste. Both of those work. I appreciate the support, and see you guys next time.